so this evening we are going to be focused on getting the Shou Sugi Ban siding up on the shed.
Yeah, so we won't get to the peaks today. It's going to be the side. So it's going to be pretty easy cutting these real fast. We'll get them done tonight. The bad part about tonight is it feels like 100 degrees out here. It's sticky. There's bugs flying. It just got done raining. So it's humid as can be, and it's awful, and everything above.
Yeah, it's pretty disgusting out here, but like he said, it's an easy project. No angles, which we love because pretty much everything that we do involves angles. So it's nice to have a break from that. Just some straight, easy old cuts.
Yep, I can do it in all angles.
Okay.
All right, that's it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Again.
It's raining again. So that side of the shed is done with siding. So now we're going to start the front side of the shed with siding. And there's a lot of siding going on right now, I guess. I don't know how to say it. So we're using the scrap pieces from that side to put on the front side to start the siding. I mean, I don't know how to say it. So we're going to go all the way up to the peak and hopefully get this done tonight.
What he's trying to say is we worked the siding all the way up to where the soffit is going to meet those boards, and the scrap pieces that are left over from these boards on this side are going to fit perfectly around the door on this side, and that's the goat bumping the camera. I mean, we're just a complete mess today, aren't we?
You didn't say siding yet. I'm not sure you're talking about what boards. You should have said siding.
I think you said siding enough for both of us. Right, Hazel?
Hazel! Hazel!
Hazel! In case you guys didn't know, we have Optimus Prime on our job site, which makes our job site the coolest, obviously, and Hazel, who gives free back rubs. Little Ricky gives Josh something else free, but I can't talk about that. I know.
Who's that?
Spit it out.
Get it. Get it. Come on, get it. You got it. Good girl. Good girl.
Here's your dance moves, Josh.
Okay, Dave, I'm proud to be my wife. Put it that way. Come on now, hurry up, hurry it up.
Okay, get a drink with that. Looks good.
No, not mine.
If you feel like I'll tear it down and do it again.
Do you need me to get up there and help you measure?
Why not, girl? Come on. Grab it! 113 5/8,
Oh,
man.
let's do it again.
113
Oh,
5/8.
hold on, do it again.
Okay, enough. I don't play that, okay? Girl. Come on.
And then repeat, make room for time, release my mind.
Alright, Optimus Prime, it's bedtime, okay? So we were out pretty late last night. You guys saw how dark it was getting. We finished up 2 sides of the shed with the siding, and we figured we would wait until today to show you what it looks like in the daylight and also talk with you since you probably couldn't see us last night.
Yeah, so we went up the peak. We don't have angle cuts there. It's all going to get covered up by the soffit. The back side of the shed and also the one side of the shed are still uncovered with wood. We also, in the very back, we got to put an exhaust fan so the back side is still open.
Yes, part of the backside is still open where we are going to put the exhaust fan in there, and then, you know, work the rest of the OSB around that part and the siding
Close it up.
going up. Yeah.
And
So
what else we got?
painting the door, coming down the line, and then that's it, I guess, right?
And I'm thinking next week, so we'll be done this weekend,
Yes.
with the entire shed with all the
Siding and
soffit, the whole thing. So next weekend, I think by Sunday night we'll be on power and be on full-time well water, full-time.
Sounds like a dream, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I can't wait.
I know.
I mean, I'm not sure we're gonna be down. Obviously on a party, and you're not
Yes.
invited.
Oh, please. I am the party.
True. A few shots of tequila, that's a good time, you know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so what else we got?
Well, we don't have tequila. Guess we're making a stop, huh?
I guess so.
All right, well, that's it, guys. We're heading off for dinner, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
See ya.